morning students, chapter number 4, adaptation in animals. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture classification of animals according to the environment they live in. Terrestrial animal, aquatic animals, amphibian, arboreal and aerial animals. Now students, in this lecture we will discuss adaptation for protection. Student, some animals show adaptation to protect themselves from their enemies or when in danger. And you know student, there are many animals according to eating habits: herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. So they show adaptation to protect themselves for their enemies when they are in danger. For example, if we talk about student herbivores, you can see, give some example of the herbivores like zebras, deer, rabbits, antelopes. Have you seen? Yes student, they have strong legs. What is the function of the strong legs? Yes student, strong legs help the herbivores to run away from the enemy very fast. These strong legs help the animals to run very fast. If we talk about student elephant and rhino, they have the thick skin that protect them from heat. Okay. Now student, if we talk about have you seen turtle or tortoise? Yes student, they have hard shell. And what is the function of this hard shell? Yes student, because they have soft body, so this hard shell protect their soft bodies in tortoise, crabs and turtle also. In cockroaches and beetles, they have hard outer body for protection. In beetles also and in cockroaches also, inside they have the soft body. They do not have, how can they keep safe from the enemies? Okay. If we talk about student, porcupine has the sharp quills. You can see quills. You can see this porcupine has the sharp quills to protect itself. Needle like, you can see the picture also. They have the needle like this porcupine. They have the sharp needle like structure that is called quills. If we talk about student, rhinoceros has horn as a weapon. You can see there is a horn. Now if we talk about student, some animals like hyena, elephant and fish stay in group for safety. They live together in group. Hyena, elephant also, and student deer also, they live in group. And some group of the buffaloes also, have you seen in Discovery? Why they live in group? For safety. Animals like cuttlefish, squids release an inky fluid when attacked, and skunk release a strong bad smell to keep their enemies away. Wasp, scorpion sting their enemies to protect themselves. So if we talk about student, this adaptation for food, so we have discussed in previous lectures also. Animal can be classified on the basis of their food habit: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers and parasite. So if we talk about herbivores, what is the meaning of herbivores? Herbi means, you can see here there is a word herbivores. Herbi means, if you divide this word into form, herbivores. Herbi means plants. Herbivores means eating, plant eating. So the other name of the herbivores is plant eating animals. The animals that only plants are called herbivores. Deer, cow, sheep are the herbivores. They have sharp front teeth for biting and cutting. They have the sharp front teeth. And they also have the strong hind, पीछे की तरफ back side hind teeth for grinding the food. Okay. Now carnivores, student. Carnivores, animals, words, animals eating. Carnivores, flesh, or you can say that animal. So carnivores are the animals that eat flesh. They are called predators. And the animals that they hunt, kill and eat are called prey. They have long, sharp, curved and pointed teeth to tear flesh and broad hind teeth to chew flesh and bones. They have the sharp, curved teeth, pointed teeth. They tear the flesh. And they have the broad hind teeth to chew flesh and bones. Lion, tiger, these are the carnivores. Yes, student. Omnivores. Omni means both, everywhere, both plants and animals. So omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals. Crow, bear, monkey, fox, they are omnivores. Okay, so I think you have understand, and we have discussed today, student, these adaptation for protection. How can they save themselves? And we have discussed today classification of the animals according to their food habits, and then we will discuss again, and this other animals are here, parasite also and camouflage also, in next lecture. Okay, students, take care. Bye.